Hey guys, what's up? I'm just gonna cover my GRNQ trade. Again, taking super small size. I think I put like $91 on the line for this one. Um, and you can see right here I made almost 14. So that's really good, really good. Percentage gain I think it was about 15%, and I still played it extremely cautious. Um, so yeah, it could have been more, but I mean, I'm not gonna stick my neck out too far in this market where there isn't much momentum. It was a dip and rip, something that hasn't really been working lately, but VRPX kind of heated up the market a little bit more. We're getting runners over 50% now, so back to the good old days. Um, yeah, so hopefully the momentum can kind of continue, and we can kind of get into a hotter market nearing the end of the year here. Usually that around the end of the year is when the market kind of heats up, and then January, February usually, historically at least. Um, and then historically also August has been slowest month, like for every market, or long-term markets, you get the S&P 500. Um, August is the month where historically most crashes happen, as well as just being slow. A lot of traders, like trading wise, a lot of traders go on summer break. The volume just dries up, and so does the momentum. So yeah, overly cautious trade. Beautiful. I'll get into the charts here. So this is the long-term chart, super choppy. Didn't like it. Kind of a bad sushi chart. Ton of overhead resistance here, and this is why I didn't want to overstay my welcome as well. You get resistance from these few tops here, the 1, 2, triple top kind of here, maybe a 4. Um, and then you have all this junk. I mean, how many people are caught up in this. Um, so yeah. Here's the intraday chart. Kind of set a top, came down. View ops right around here. Actually, let me get my chart here up here. Yeah, so it set a top right around that high day, which I love. This is perfect. This gives you a really good breakout level to risk off of, or to. It's a good goal to get to. It's like 140 to 145, 150 level is top. So that also set its top. Came back down, fell in review up. Um, and I was patient enough. I wanted to get in somewhere around here, I guess, but I didn't want to. Or I wanted to get on this green candle, but there wasn't enough consolidation for me. I had the patience to chill out, um, just relax a little bit, and let the pattern play out before I jump into the pattern. You know, there's no sense in getting into a pattern too early if the pattern doesn't even work, or if the pattern's not there. So yeah, I saw this consolidation perfect. Gives me a perfect entry or a perfect risk at that 115 level, the risking low a day. Saw the volume pop on this candle here, the big green one. Um, and then I got in 122. So I got a great fill on the second green candle here. Hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Kind of distorts the chart, but so got a good entry around that 122 level, and then just wrote it up. View up. It looked a little stuffy. It looked kind of like it didn't look super stuffy, but just because of the fact that momentum has just not been there recently, or I guess not recently, like recently, but in August, momentum just hasn't been there. So I thought I would take a third off at view up, be safe. I mean, I was already up like $6 or something like that at VWAP. Maybe it was like $5, but either way, it was like $5 to $6 I was up, and just decided to lock in a third. So it took $2 off the table, I believe. Pushed up, finally got some great volume here. This is the candles that I'm looking for. Um, Sold another half or another third, excuse me, like 141 level. These highs, just in case these have been just in case this double tops again or whatever triple tops. Um, they have been these dip and rips have been double topping recently. They'll come back down, make this U shape, and then just completely die off. before they break out. I mean, this isn't even that good of a breakout. I mean, you're ideally looking for continuation and an all-day runner, but I mean, this is it's all right. So I took another third off there. It halted after this little tiny green candle. Opened up, decided to sell a third, no, 10 shares at 151, just right at the open of the halt. That's one of my rules. I have to take some off right away when it halts. Um, and then I got another at 156. So I sold the remaining shares at 156, like 15 shares. So really good. Um, could have played it a little more aggressive, obviously, but the market's just not right for that. Um, and yeah, I think this is by far the best trade so far in August. Made 15% on it. I mean, trades like that don't come around too often, for me at least. And whenever I can get a 15 percenter or like 10 plus percent is a great trade. Um, if I had sold it all at my final sell, it would have been like 30%, but I mean, that's hot market um stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover. Um, great trade again. And if you like these videos, don't hesitate to comment any questions or whatever you want me to do. I'm always open to suggestions, what I can do better, stuff like that. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you like this stuff. I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.